Ladies, if you are in a long distance relationship, there is 6 mistakes to never do at all cost. I am doing this video because I've seen so many of you being in a long distance relationship and asking me, Alex, how can I maintain the love? How can I maintain his attention? How can I not lose my boyfriend, my husband? And I want to make sure that you are not doing one of these 6 worst mistakes. And if you are avoiding them, I can guarantee you your relationship will be amazing. Because let's face it, we live in a world today where being alone in a long distance relationship is normal. There is a lot of communication, there is a lot of tools, there is a lot of possibility. It's much easier right now to travel besides our parents and grandparents' generation. So it's not because the relationship is a long distance that it's not possible. It's actually the opposite. It's even sometimes easier because we can have our own life and we can create something amazing, the two of us. But still, there is six mistakes that I really want you to avoid. Mistake number 1. If you are in a long distance relationship, but there is no project, long-term project, your relationship will fall into the routine. Your relationship will not be based on something that will make you be part of each other's life. That doesn't mean that you have to live together in 1 year, but at least you need to have a project. You need to try to build something so great that both of you are part of each other's life. I see so many people, yeah, we are in a long distance relationship. What's the plan? Oh, I don't know, we'll see. Will you see? The only one thing that you will see will be the breakup. That's it. Because you need to maintain the love. You need to maintain the attraction. You need to maintain the excitement in the relationship. And every time I say that, that's why I challenge you guys. What could be the project? What could be the goal? What will be the strategy so your relationship can survive and grow from the distance? Grow from the situation that you both don't live in the same city. And that's okay. That's okay if you do it because you can still be long distance, but have some project that will recreate love and that will make the relationship stronger. So mistake number 1, it's when you don't have any project besides being in a relationship. Mistake number 2, if you try to fight the long distance, it won't work. I have coached an amazing woman. She got divorced a few years ago. She met this guy online. She didn't believe in him. She didn't believe in a relationship. And then she started to fall in love. And when she contacted me, she told me, literally, Alex, I am so mad that we are long distance. I told her, so he can feel it. He will see every single day a woman that is mad, sad, depressed, angry at life. Is it what you want to show? She said no. And I told her there is a strategy. I call it the dance strategy. Instead of fighting, let's dance. Let's tell ourselves the distance is great because when we see each other, it's phenomenal. Because when I'm not with him, I can focus on my life. And because even if it's a long distance, we can still communicate. We can do phone call, FaceTime, whatever. And she started to change her mindset. The issue was not even the relationship. There was no problem between the two. But because in our mind, long distance is a problem, we need to change our mindset. So mistake number 2, it's when you feel that you have to fight the long distance. No. Let's dance with it. Mistake number 3. When we are long distance and we can finally meet, we want to stay in the room, in the bedroom, if you know what I mean. So we want to stay in the room between 4 walls. And what's next? The routine, no real excitement, no new emotions. So it's difficult to maintain a relationship if it's either long distance or in the bedroom. That won't work. we need to create memories. We need to experience new actions, new moments. That's how we can maintain the love even when we are long distance and we can't see each other. Mistake number 4. A long distance relationship cannot work if you are anxious. I'm talking about the anxious attachment side. So if you are codependent, if you always have the fear to lose your partner, if you have the fear that you will be cheated on, because a long distance relationship is not easy. So if you are anxious and you tell me, Alex, I will always be in a long distance relationship, you are playing with your own emotions. So if you are anxious, please seek help with a coach, psychologist. Make sure you do yoga, meditation, and make sure you make your life busy, because that's what your partner wants to see. A woman that will be very strong, a woman that will be very confident. That is how we can maintain a healthy long-distance relationship. Mistake number 5. A long-distance relationship can't work if we don't believe in it. I've seen some clients, they come to me and they say, Alex, I don't believe it's possible. So why are you in a relationship? But you know I love him. But you don't believe it's possible? It all comes down to fighting the long-distance relationship. All comes down to mindset. It is possible. There is a lot of way to be happy. You just have to step out of the society, the education that we received. Because if you talk to your friend and family, long distance, it's very difficult. Not in 2024. No, it's normal. It's common now. So you have to not fight it in order to get great results. And the last mistake that I want you to take into consideration, it is the most important one. Okay, at least the most important tip. If you want your long distance relationship to survive, you need to have a strong personal life. Your friends, your family, your hobbies, your goals, etc. And the question that I have specifically for you, and you will love it. Every time I use this question in coaching, women are like, oh, thank you, Alex. I will just make sure that I jot this one. Were you able to live and be happy without that person in your life? The answer is yes, right? Before to meet him, you had a life. So why will you stop this life just because you are in a relationship right now? It is not a good idea, and it is not what I would suggest to you. If you want this long distance relationship to work, please make sure that you have your own life and you're happy with it. Make sure that you have your own life and you're very strong and positive. This is how we can create something amazing. This is how you can fight the long distance. And this is how you can tell me, Alex, it's working. I believe in it. Because if you believe in it, you would get a lot of love and happiness. And this is what you deserve, ladies. But you know, as a coach, I always invite you to like and subscribe. I want you to join this community. If you have any question about long distance relationship, make sure to leave a comment right below. I will be on your side. Now, if you want me to be your coach, if you want to talk to me, if you want me to assist you, not just during the call, but also after the call, you just have to click in the description. You have a link for the private coaching. You answer some question, my success manager will call you and he will see if we can work together. If it's the case, let me tell you that I won't let you down. I will be on your side and we will have great success together. So guys, I will see you soon for a new video. Remember, mindset, mindset, mindset. It's possible and you can do it.